Welcome to PickDigi. I'm Alex. I'm thrilled to have you here with us. Today, we have a special treat for you as we present our last special Christmas episode. In this episode, we'll be delving into the top 5 360 cams currently dominating the market. Our aim is to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions that align perfectly with your specific needs. You can find all the products we discuss in this video conveniently linked in the description below. To stay up to date with the latest information and content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss a single video. We hope you'll find this last special Christmas episode both informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. We greatly value your feedback. Now that you're all set, let's dive in together and explore the best 360 cams currently on the market.
The Insta360 ONE X2 is a remarkable 360-degree camera favored by content creators and adventure enthusiasts. It records videos in stunning 5.7K resolution and captures 18.5 megapixel 360-degree photos. With HDR, time-lapse, and slow-motion modes, it offers creative versatility. The camera's stabilization ensures smooth videos, and its water-resistant design is perfect for underwater adventures. On the positive side, the Insta360 ONE X2 delivers exceptional image quality and a seamless user experience. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and the stabilization feature guarantees professional-looking footage. The companion app enhances editing and sharing options. However, there are a few limitations to consider. The 360-degree format may not suit everyone's preferences, requiring specialized editing and viewing. Additionally, low-light performance may not be as strong as desired. In conclusion, the Insta360 ONE X2 is a feature-rich 360-degree camera offering excellent image quality, usability, and stabilization. It's the go-to choice for immersive and engaging content, appealing to content creators and adventure enthusiasts. Despite some limitations, its overall performance and range of features make it a compelling option in the market. The RICOH THETA Z1 is a high-quality 360-degree camera renowned for its advanced features and impressive image capabilities. It captures stunning 360-degree photos with dual 1-inch image sensors and records sharp 4K videos. With HDR and night view modes, it enhances dynamic range and low-light performance. One of its key advantages is the superior image quality achieved through larger image sensors, resulting in detailed and vibrant photos. Advanced features like HDR and night view enhance the shooting experience, and manual control options offer creative flexibility. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. The THETA Z1 is relatively expensive compared to other 360-degree cameras, making it less affordable for budget-conscious users. Additionally, its battery life is limited, necessitating frequent recharging during extended shoots. In conclusion, the RICOH THETA Z1 is a top-tier 360-degree camera offering exceptional image quality and advanced features. It appeals to professional photographers and enthusiasts seeking high-resolution imaging and creative control. Despite its higher price and limited battery life, its overall performance and feature set make it a compelling choice for capturing immersive and high-quality 360-degree content. The Insta360 ONE RS is a highly versatile action camera that stands out with its modular design and interchangeable lenses. It offers excellent image stabilization, solid battery life, and powerful smartphone software. The camera supports microSD card storage, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It is waterproof up to 5 meters and has a 1445 mAh battery for 75 to 84 minutes of runtime. Lens options include a 4K boost lens, 360 lens, and a 1-inch wide-angle Leica lens. Pros of the Insta360 ONE RS include its interchangeable lens system for versatility, Modular design for easy customization and future upgrades, excellent build quality, solid battery life, superb image stabilization, and powerful smartphone software for advanced editing and control options. On the downside, the camera's touchscreen display is relatively small for full interface navigation and content viewing, and the smartphone software may have a learning curve for some users. In conclusion, the Insta360 ONE RS is a compelling action camera that offers a range of features and capabilities. With its interchangeable lenses and modular design, it provides flexibility and customization options. The camera excels in image stabilization and offers a solid battery life. While the small touchscreen display and learning curve of the software may be minor drawbacks, the Insta360 ONE RS is a versatile and capable action camera for capturing a wide range of life experiences. The GoPro MAX is an action camera that delivers a unique and immersive shooting experience with its dual-lens setup, capturing stunning 360-degree footage and photos. Users can relive their adventures from every angle. One notable feature of the GoPro MAX is its versatility, allowing users to shoot traditional hero-style videos as well as immersive 360-degree content. This flexibility enables capturing moments in various ways, from wide-angle shots to fully immersive spherical videos. The camera excels in image stabilization with Max Hypersmooth, providing smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. It effectively eliminates shakiness and vibrations, resulting in professional-looking videos. Advanced features like Time Warp, which creates captivating time-lapse videos, and Power Pano, for stunning panoramic photos, further enhance the camera's capabilities. Built to withstand rugged conditions, the GoPro MAX is waterproof up to 5 meters without the need for additional housing. It also features a touchscreen display for easy navigation and control. It's important to note that fully utilizing the GoPro MAX 360-degree capabilities requires specialized editing and processing. There might be a learning curve and the need for additional software to maximize the potential of the footage. Overall, the GoPro MAX is a powerful and innovative action camera designed to capture immersive 360-degree content. Its impressive image stabilization, advanced features, durability, and flexibility make it an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts and content creators seeking to push the boundaries of storytelling. The Insta360 X3, a highly acclaimed 360-degree camera known for its dual-lens capture and waterproof design. It's compact, portable, and features a large touch screen for easy navigation. It records in impressive resolutions up to 5.7K 30 and has HDR processing for enhanced image quality. The X3 comes with software for editing and reframing your footage. It's compatible with both desktop and mobile editing. The Insta360 X3 has excellent camera hardware and robust software for editing 360-degree videos. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel vloggers and adventurers. The waterproof construction adds to its versatility. On the other hand, there are a few cons to consider. Video footage requires processing before editing, which adds an extra step to the workflow. There may be a learning curve associated with mastering 360-degree editing. Additionally, the mobile editing app may have resolution limitations. In conclusion, the Insta360 X3 is a top-tier 360-degree camera that delivers excellent hardware, robust software, and a compact design perfect for travel vloggers and adventurers. While there are a few drawbacks to be aware of, such as the need for video processing and a learning curve for editing, the X3 offers a world of creative possibilities. With its impressive features and waterproof design, it's a fantastic choice for capturing immersive footage.
Thank you for joining us on this special Christmas episode of PickDigi. We hope you found our exploration of the top 5 360 cams both informative and enjoyable. As we wrap up this episode, we want to express our gratitude for your continued support and engagement with our channel. If you liked what you saw today, we kindly ask you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this special episode with your friends and loved ones, spreading the holiday cheer and helping them discover the world of cutting-edge 360 cameras. We value your feedback, so please feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Your input helps us improve and bring you even better content in the future. As we bid farewell to this Christmas episode, we want to wish you a joyful and festive holiday season. May it be filled with warmth, love, and memorable moments. Thank you once again for being a part of the PickDigi family. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in our next exciting episode.